Hi everyone and welcome back to Maths with Sukirti or YouTube channel. So in this video we are going to start with question number 5, exercise 2.4, chapter 2 polynomials. This is from class 9th Maths NCERT book. So the third part is x cube plus 13x square. I'm sorry, I forgot to rub this here. Yes. 13x square plus 32x plus 20. Now again we are going to try some of the values by our own. Let us try here -1, because I can see all the terms are positive, and if we try any positive value it is never going to give us 0. So let us try some other value. Let's say -1. So -1 cube plus 13 into -1 square plus 32 into -1 plus 20. Okay, there is some logic to put a value. This is not like, you have to do smart work rather than hard work, because you should have some logic before trying any value in any of these polynomials. So here the logic was that every term we can see here is positive. So if we will try any positive value, let's say +2 or +3 or any +1, it is going to give us positive thing only, positive number only. So we do not want that, we want 0. That's why I tried a negative value, and that too is very easy, -1. So when I'm putting this, I'm getting -1 cube as -1 plus 13 into +1. Of course, this -1 square will give us +1. It will give us +13. Here we'll be getting -32 and +20 at the last. Now I can see this +13 and +20. According to board mass, we'll be getting 33, and -1 minus 32 is going to give us -33. So you see, carrying on with the logic is always going to help you. Here we are getting 0. So x equals to -1 is the value at which we are getting 0. Now x plus 1 will be our first factor. Now let's divide the polynomial by this factor to get the other factors. So we are going to divide it by our first factor, that is x plus 1. Let me select the other color. Here we go. Now we want x cube at first. So we are going to select x square such that x plus 1 into x square is going to give us x cube, and along with that we are going to get x square. So here we are getting x cube plus x square. Now the sign changes. Now this get cancelled out, and here we get plus 12x square. The other term plus 32x is going to get down here. Now at the first place we want 12x square. So we are going to place here plus 12x such that x plus 1 into 12x, we are going to get 12x square that we want, and along with that 12x square plus 12x. So with this we get 12x square plus 12x. Here the sign changes, and we are going to get here 0. Here we are going to get 20x, that too in positive, and this plus 20 is going to get down here. Okay, so now we want 20x. So here we are going to place 20 such that we are going to get 20x. Along with that we are going to get 20. So here also these get cancelled out, and we are left with 0. We are done with the division, and we have got here x square plus 12x plus 20. Now what we are going to do, we are going to factorize it more because this is a quadratic polynomial. Here, first step is to multiply the first term with the last term. So x square into plus 20, we are going to get plus 20x square. We are going to split it into two terms to split the middle term, right? So everybody tell me, how can we get 20? We can get 20 by 4 into 5, right? But with that, if we add 4 and 5, we are never going to get the middle term, that is 12x. So what is the option that comes to your mind quickly? 10 and 2, right? So 10x and 2x, that's how we'll be getting plus. So we want these two in positive, because that's how we'll be getting positive 20x square, right, after multiplying them. And by adding them, we will be getting our middle term, that is plus 12x here, right? So we are fulfilled with both of the conditions. Let us put these two here. In the place of middle term, we are going to put plus 10x plus 2x plus 20. See, if you all are done with question number 1 and 2, I think you will be able to understand all these things very quickly. But in case if you have not done question number 1 and 2, you can watch my previous video. Also, you can watch the basic where I have explained factor theorem, splitting the middle term method, also how to factorize cubic polynomial. These things will become very, very easy for you if you watch those videos. Let us continue here. Taking common from these two terms, what is common here? X is common here. See, the highest power of any number or any variable you want to take out. So we have highest power of x to the power 1 here in common. So I am going to write here x plus 10 inside. From here I am going to take 2, right? So I will be left with x plus 10 inside, and this is the indication I am going right because I've got same brackets, x plus 10, and inside we'll be getting x plus 2. So our three factors are x plus 1 into x plus 2, x plus 10 into x plus 2. Factorization of the third part is complete. Let us proceed to the fourth part. So our fourth part is 2y cube plus y square minus 2y minus 1. Again, we are going to try some values. Let us try y equals to 1 first. Okay, plus 1. So we will be putting 1 cube here plus 1 square minus 2 into 1 minus 1. We are getting 2 into 1 cube as 2, 1 square as 1, minus 2 into 1 is minus 2 and minus 1. According to BODMAS, plus 1 and plus 2, they will give us plus 3, and minus 2 and minus 1 will give us minus 3. They get cancelled out, or you can say 3 minus 3 is 0. So our first factor we are getting here is y minus 1, because this one comes here to this one comes here to this side, and that's how we know that y minus 1 was equals to 0. That's how we got y equals to 1, and we have y minus 1 as our first factor. Let us divide the polynomial by y minus 1 here. So we want 2y cube at the first place, so we are going to place 2y square here, such that y minus 1 into 2y square is going to give us 2y cube minus 2y square. What we are getting at the second place, we don't care, but we want the first term first. Here 2y cube condition is fulfilled. Y minus 1 into 2y square, we are getting 2y cube minus 2y square. Okay, minus, this becomes plus, sign changes, so here we get cancelled out, and here we are plus, here we have plus y square plus 2y square. plus 3y square. Now this minus 2y comes here and we want at the first place 3y square. So I'm going to write 3y here. Everybody knows y, such that y minus 1 into 3y will give us 3y square. Condition is fulfilled and along with it we are getting minus 3y, right? So plus 3y square minus 3y. Sign changes and it becomes, here got cancelled out and it becomes plus y. Plus 3y minus 2y plus minus is minus, 3 minus 2y is plus y. Here we have minus 1. Now we want y at the first place. I am going to take 1 here such that y minus 1 into 1 will give us y minus 1 only. Okay, so y minus 1. Sign changes. We get 0 and our next polynomial to factorize is 2y square plus 3y plus 1. 2y square plus 3y plus 1. Our first step is to multiply the first term with the last term. We are getting 2y square. We have to find those two numbers from which we will be splitting the middle term. So here I can easily see that 2 and 1 are the factors we want. 2y and 1y, and both we want in positive, because that's how we will be getting plus 2y square after multiplying them, and after adding them plus 2y plus 1y will be getting the middle term, right? So here 2y square plus 2y plus 1y plus 1. 2y square, from the first two term we are going to take common 2y, y plus 1 inside, and from the other one we are going to take common 1 only because that is the common one, and we are going to get y plus 1 inside. So we are having same brackets, y plus 1, and inside it will be 2y plus 1. So we are done with the factorization of the fourth polynomial. What are the three factors? Y minus 1 the first one, y plus 1 the second one, and the last one is 2y plus 1. Right? So we are done with all the 4 parts of question number 5. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you like this video, please share. Do comment if you have any query, any doubt in this question, as well as if you have any new questions to ask. If you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe to the channel and also press the bell icon so that you never miss any video. Take care. Bye bye.